SchengenVisaInfo.com says that Lufthansa has cancelled 900 domestic and short-haul European flights in July. Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays were affected. Lufthansa's representative said the cancelled flights represent 5% of the airline's weekend schedule. Eurowings had to cancel many flights to stabilize its service for July, Lufthansa told Insider. Despite rising travel demands, the spokeswoman said the infrastructure isn't entirely repaired and the airline's business in Europe faces staff shortages. The airline sector is experiencing delays and manpower shortages, especially in Europe. The Lufthansa representative told Insider that this applies to airports, ground handling, ATC and airlines. Other airlines besides Lufthansa are also struggling to reconcile staffing with passenger demands. Most of the airport security crew went on strike for greater pay as inflation eroded workers' purchasing power. Monday saw 232 cancellations. Since many people couldn't fly on Monday, the airport warned that Tuesday and Wednesday will be busy. IATA predicts lower industry losses for 2022 despite airport employee shortages and other obstacles. IATA stated that industry losses will be significantly lower in 2020 compared to the last year. According to IATA, passenger numbers will reach 83% of pre-pandemic levels by year's end. Cost control is the challenge for 2022. Passenger revenues are estimated to account for about 473 billion euros in industry revenues in 2021.